Good morning, dear students. Yesterday I had explained exercise of the chapter perimeter and area. It was last exercise which is in your syllabus. Okay. Only three exercises are in your syllabus, that is 22A, B and C. Okay. After that, other exercises are excluded from your syllabus. Those exercises are not in your syllabus. So today I am going to start next chapter, volume and surface area of solids. Volume and surface area of solids. So you see, in volume and surface area of solids you have to study about volume of cuboid, volume of cube, surface area of cuboid, surface area of cube. Okay, and numerical problems based on these formulae will be there. Okay, so there is formula, volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height, that is L into B into H. L into B into H, length into breadth into height. So this is volume of cuboid, or LBH simply you remember. Okay. Now next formula is volume of cube. Volume of cube is side cube. If A is side, then A cube. If side is B, then B cube, like that. Means side cube is the basic formula for volume of cube. Now surface area of cuboid. Surface area of cuboid is 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. Height into length. So you say 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Okay. So this is surface area of cuboid. Clear? Now surface area of cube. Surface area of cube is 6A square. 6A square. Okay. This is surface area of cube. Now on the basis of this formula, we have to start exercise 32. This is chapter 32, volume and surface area. This is chapter 32. Okay. So we have to start exercise 32. Okay. Only one exercise is there in this chapter, exercise 32. Question number 1. Find the volume and surface area of cuboid whose dimensions are length, breadth and height are given. Okay. Length is given 6 centimeter, breadth is given 5 centimeter and height is given 6 centimeter. This is first question. So volume, you know formula for volume. Volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. So length is 6 into breadth is 5 into height is given 4. So 6 into 5 into 4. You can multiply 6 5 ja 30, 34 ja 120. Okay. So 120 cube centimeter. So this is volume. Okay. This is volume. Now you know L is equal to 6, B is equal to 5 and H is equal to 4. So you may find out surface area. You have to find out surface area also. Okay. Surface area of cuboid, that is 2 into L into B plus B into H plus H into L. This is surface area of cuboid. Okay. Surface area of cuboid is this. So write down this formula and put the values. So 2 into L into B, what is L? L was 6 and B 5 and H 4. So L into B means 6 into 5 plus B into H means 5 into 4 plus H into L means 4 into 6. Okay. So 2 into 6 into 5 means 6 5 ja 30 plus 5 into 4 5 4 ja 20 plus 4 into 6, 4 6 ja 24. So 2 into 30 plus 20, how much? 50 plus 24, that is 74. So 2 into 74 or 74 into 2, when you will multiply you will get 148 square centimeter. Clear? So this is your answer. In the same way you can solve other parts. I solved only one part here, first part. Two more parts are there. So in the same way you can find out volume and surface area for other parts also. Okay. Now question number 2, first part. Find volume and surface area of cube whose edge measures 7 centimeter. I told you formula for volume of cube. Volume of cube is a cube. Side is given 7, so 7 cube, and 7 cube means 7 into 7 into 7. 7 power 3 means multiplication of 7 how many times? 3 times. Multiplication of 7 3 times. So 7 into 7 into 7. 7 7 ja 49, 49 7 ja 343. So 343 cube centimeter. So this is volume. Now surface area of cube. Surface area of cube is, formula is 6a square. 6a square. So 6 into a. What is a? 7. So 7 square. You know 7 square is 7 7 ja 49. 49 into 6. You can find out 49 into 6. Okay. That is 294. Okay. Square centimeter. So in this way you can do up to 2. There are 2 more parts here, so you can try in the same way. Okay. Now next, question number 3. In question number 3 it is given the volume of a soap cake is 140 cube centimeter. Its length and width are 7 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Find its height. You see volume, you know formula for volume. Volume is equal to L into B into H. Okay. And volume is given 140. So in place of volume you put 140 equal to L is given 7 into B is given 5. So 7 into 5 into H. H you have to find out. You have to find out height. So 7 into 5, 7 5 yeah 35. 35 H. What is this? 7 into 5 into H means 35 H. So 35 H is equal to 140. So H is equal to 140 upon 35. Or you may write 140 upon 7 into 5. Both are same. And that is 4. After simplifying, 35 4 ja 140. So 4 centimeter. Or you may simplify 7 2 ja 14, 5 4 ja, in this way. Any way you can calculate. Okay. Now question number 4. Surface area of a cube is 384 square centimeter. Find its volume. You know formula for surface area of cube. Surface area of cube is 6a square. It means 6a square is given 384. Okay. Therefore a square is 384 upon 6. 384 upon 6. 384 upon 6. Divide 384 by 6. 6 6 ja 36. 6 4 ja 24. So you will get 64. After dividing 384 by 6, you will get 64. So a square is equal to 64. Therefore a is equal to under root 64. Under root 64. And under root 64 means square root of 64. You know square root of 64 is 8. So now what you have to find? Volume of cube. Volume of cube. You know formula for volume of cube? Volume of cube is a cube. You know formula? And side A is given 8. So 8 cube means 8 into 8 into 8. 3 times. Multiplication of 8 3 times. 8 into 8 into 8. So 8 8 is 64. 64 into 8. 64 8 is 512 cube centimeter. Okay. Now question number 5. The volume of a cube is 1728. Same question is this. Volume of cube formula is a cube. So a cube is equal to 1728. Okay. So a is equal to cube root of 1728. So by prime factorization method 1728 you may factorize, you will get 12 into 12 into 12. After factorizing 12 into 12 into 12 you will get 1728. So 3 times it is, so cube root of that is 12. Okay. And what you have to find? Surface area. So surface area of cube, you know formula 6a square. 6a square. Where a is how much? 12. You got a is equal to 12. So 6 into a square means 12 square. 6 into 12 square means 12 into 12. So 12 into 12, 12 12 is 144. So 144 into 6, that is 864 square meter. Okay. So this is surface area of that cube. Okay. So I am thinking it is sufficient for you for today. Afterwards I will send other questions of this exercise tomorrow. Clear? Thank you. May God bless you all. If you have any doubt, ask it on the WhatsApp group.